All right, y'all. This is that Bay Boy, Mr. Bowie, to you. About to put a video on here. This one right here is about to be me singing Neo, Do You. All right, enjoy. Maybe this decision was a mistake. You probably don't care what I have to say. But it's been heavy on my mind for months now. I guess I'm trying to clear some mental space. I would love to talk to you in person, but I understand why that can't be. I'll leave you alone for good, I promise. If you answer this one question for me, I just wonder, do you ever think of me anymore? Do you? First off, let me say congratulations. Heard that you just had a baby girl. If she looks anything like her mother, she's the prettiest thing in the world. Swear that I'm not trying to start no troubles. Tell your fiancé he can relax, and I'll leave you alone for good, I promise. But there's a question I just got to ask. I just wonder, do you ever think of me anymore? Do you? I know what we had is dead and gone. Oh, wrong way. Hmm. Yeah. And I don't mean to interrupt your life. I just wonder, do I ever cross your mind? Oh, do you